Hello everybody, it is I, the Conservative Coin Collector. Today, I found a mysterious baggie of coins in my coin collection. I was going through my one candy box of coins, and normally I pretty much know what's in there, but I found a baggie of coins, and I'm going to dump it out and see what's inside here. What's going to be inside here, I have no idea. But I'm going to take you along for the ride. Got the coin thing here. Now, I'm going to need both hands to dump it out. So hold on a second. Oh, on top here I have a laureate portrait. And it looks like another laureate portrait. These are from 1963 and 64. And other than its copper content, they're not really worth all that much. Oh, here's an interesting coin. It's a foreign coin. It's a German coin. 5 reichpfenning. 5 reichpfenning. And I can tell you what part of history it's from without telling you. How? Look at the back of it. Now, you see this coin and you realize it is from an ugly part of history. Yes, I get that. But we need to learn about this part of history or else we are doomed to repeat it. Let's see how much a 5D reichpfenning would actually go for today if I was to sell it. And it looks like it's from 1938. Cool fact about this reichpfenning. Now, obviously, the design only lasted a couple years from 1936 to 1939. But the coin itself started production before Hitler was even born, and it outlived Hitler as well. This coin, well, the particular reichpfenning, minus the design of the coin itself, was minted in Germany from 1871 to 1948. Hitler's life was from 1889 to 1945. Pretty interesting. Here I have an Indian head penny from 1905, I think that is. Let's see, 1905, that is correct. Let's do a little comparison on a modern day penny that I just have floating around. It's 2023. I think the Indian head is a sharp design. But I'm also the fan of Lincoln on the penny, being Abraham Lincoln was a real historical figure who made a big impact on American politics. Abraham Lincoln has been on the penny since 1909. And 1909 would have been his 100th birthday if he had lived. And the wheat penny was made to celebrate it. You take a look at the reverse of both designs. I like the 1 cent. And the wreath, that's pretty sharp. But if you take a look at the modern day shield set, that's also a pretty sharp design. It's got United States of America, 1 cent e pluribus unum on top of the shield, which I see a million of these a day, so I don't give it a second look, but it's not a bad design. And another cool thing, all American currency must have the motto, "In God We Trust." You don't see "In God We Trust" anywhere on the 1905 Indian head penny because it was made before the currency was required to have the motto on there. Last but certainly not least, I have the junk silver. I have not an Indian head, but it's a Mercury dime from 1941. It's got "In God We Trust" on it because that was when the currency required it. And take a look at the reverse. When hunting dimes, you're going to see a lot of Roosevelt dimes. These dimes were to honor Roosevelt after he died because he died in office trying to win World War II. I have a lot of opinions on Roosevelt, but I'm just going to keep those to myself. Take a look at both reverses. It's pretty easy to tell both reverses apart. And if I find either of these hunting dimes, you've struck silver. And especially being a Mercury dime, they haven't been made in 70 plus years, going on over 80 plus years at this point. So these are pretty sharp designs. And the 1953 silver dime is pretty cool to find too. They're really worth pretty much the silver content, but with the silver content, the value of these are never going to go down to zero. If our money was backed by precious metals, we wouldn't be in the situation we are financially. On top of having a geriatric circus monkey running the White House right now, but I digress. Last but not least, I have the quarters that are worth their silver content. I just love finding 90% silver in the... Take a look at the back of them. Just look at... They have a look to them. Of course, silver quarters just have this look. It's a very distinct look I can't describe, but I love it. And here it is. Here's a quarter. This is another quarter without silver. I'm actually going to sandwich it in between the two silver quarters and show you how silver quarters stick out and how they're much different from clad. See the silver edge compared to a clad edge? When you're cornrow hunting and you think you found something silver, you probably have, because the edge of it looks so much more different than the clad quarters and the clad coins we actually have today. I love the look of junk silver. I'm a big sucker when it comes to junk silver, and I'm never going to get tired of collecting it and just loving seeing it. With that being said, there wasn't much in this baggie, so it's not going to be much of a video. But I'm glad to get a video out to you guys, and if you enjoy watching it, make sure to leave that like, maybe a comment, subscribe, and share as well while you're at it. Also hit the bell icon. I'm the Conservative Coin Collector, or Triple C. Until next time, I'm signing off. So long, everybody.